What's up guys? It's your girl Kenzie Kenz back with a new video. Today I'm checking out the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian line. This is the one with that gold glittery gel that you've probably seen because I am hella late to the party. What else is new? But better late than never. I've actually been toying around with these products for a bit now and wanted to share my thoughts, so stay tuned if you're interested. Jumping right in, you guys already know the deal. Going in with my first product, the Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Leave-In Lotion. That is a mouthful, but this is just my leave-in conditioner. Obviously, starting on freshly washed hair, sectioned in 4 sections, I'm going to apply this leave-in throughout my head. As for my thoughts, so far so good guys. This leave-in is really moisturizing. I've been using it for about my last 4 or so wash and goes. As you can see, I can get my hands through my hair super easily, and I find that it keeps my hair moisturized over more days than usual. So yeah, nothing but good things to say on this leave-in, and a little goes a long way. In this next clip, you'll see me squeezing out the last drop of the leave-in. Like I said, I've been using it pretty consistently over the last 4 weeks and just taking that extra product to my trouble area. Fuck. Why can't I catch? Alright, enough of the shenanigans. Now we're on to the gel. This is my styler using the Ancient Egyptian 24 karat glistening gold twisting gel. Yes, it is for twist outs, but I pretty much only rock wash and goes, so that's what we're doing today. I'm not sure if you guys can see in this clip, but it's fairly thick in consistency, nothing too goopy, and it does run out. And you might not be able to see, but it does actually have tiny little glitter sparkle particles in it. Nothing that shows up too crazy on your hair, but I do find that it does make my hair very shiny. I don't know if that's the glitter catching the light or whatever, but yeah, my hair did have a good amount of shine with this gel. Just going in with a little bit to each section and working that through for definition and hold. Also, just to reiterate, as always guys, you know I like to take my gel all the way up from my roots to my ends. This is what prevents matting and like tangled messes when people do wash and goes. You gotta get them roots. If you don't get them roots, your results really won't last too long. So, very important. Okay, so this is day 1 hair. Technically yesterday was day 1 hair because that's the day I washed it, but it was like after midnight by the time my hair was dry, so this is the first day that I'm wearing my hair out. I'm gonna zoom you guys in really quick so you can see everything up close. My ends are freshly clipped, so I do feel like they're looking pretty good. A lot of definition here. Are really defined and moisturized. My hair is still just a touch wet at the roots in some places, but other than that, I'm really happy. Feels really good. There is no crunch. This is not a hard hold. It does have a slight cast where I can tell like that I've used gel, but it's not crunchy, it's not stiff. It's moving like hair should. And yeah, this is day 1. I'm gonna save my full thoughts and my full review on the products for the end of the video because I want to check back in with you guys to see how this wash and go progresses over the course of the next couple of days or so. We'll see how long we can get out of this wash and go, so stay tuned for my final thoughts at the end. Okay you guys, so I'm gonna apologize. I wasn't able to get as much footage as I thought, but here is a little clip from day 3 of my wash and go. Still going strong. As you can see, it's nice and fluffy. It was really soft, but the main thing for me with this combo is that my definition held up. You can see my curls are still popping, and they really stayed nice and defined for about 5 days in total. It held up through 3 workouts. I went and I took a dance class, so I mean, I don't know what they put in this gel guys, but I am sold, like no lie. I really have worked these products into my regular rotation. I've worn this wash and go about 4 times now, and each time I've been pretty impressed on how long my curls lasted throughout the week. So yeah, 2 thumbs up for me guys on the Ancient Egyptian line. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've tried this gel, how you feel about it, because I was very pleasantly surprised. I didn't think I was going to like it as much as I did. But yeah, let me know what else you guys want to see from me, and I will check you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.